Hey, I hope you're doing well. This one, it's a bit hard to explain over email, so I figured I'd just tell you. So, what's happening is we need to show all of the trades that were chosen for this project. So, for example, on this one, even if it's zero. So, if I erase this fire suppression one, um, fire suppression, oops, I won't do it. So I erase the fire suppression and it goes away, see? But that's not good because if I'm the general contractor right now, I can't remember what I did up here, which is I chose fire suppression and plumbing. So instead we don't need to show all the trades within Division 15. We just need to show the chosen trade. So we need to show plumbing should always be there and fire suppression should be right here. And there can just be a blank row. We don't need to show all the other trades in there. So I'm just going to throw it back in there really quickly. Throw a number. So let's just say, hypothetically, let's say this is zero and there's been no bids at all. We just need plumbing, all of their bids, and then fire suppression and blank, blank, blank. And then I'll know as the general contractor, oh, I have fire suppression, but I have no bids right now, so I need to go find subcontractors. So if you could just make it in here. If we have another one down here, but I've never chosen a GC, we don't need to see it. We only need to see the trades that are chosen by the GC, even if they're blank. Thanks a lot.